This is a quick review of the WX306 early entry saw vacuum, the original early entry saw vacuum. We've recently made a few upgrades that we want to review. Number one, we have these new lifting points on here with a supplied strap for easy maneuverability on site to lift the vacuum onto a concrete slab. We've upgraded the throttle cable to an aviation style, turn style throttle cable. We have our 30-gallon onboard pre-separation with an automatic lift for the lid. Operators don't need to lift anything up. Tilting mechanism to easily remove the bag from the 30-gallon pre-separator. We're using a 10 horsepower pull start Honda engine, very durable, with a multi-stage turbine for the vacuum producer. We have our filter cleaning mechanism right here. You just shake it a few times. And then we have our 9-gallon dustpan. Simply lift the lever, and then you have access to your dustpan. That's a review of the WX306.